As I've mentioned in my previous article, farming is much easier than we might think, especially when we are doing it for ourselves. And growing our own food offers tremendous benefits that are far reaching in both short and long term. Many among us are already thriving in farming. It's up to us to learn from them and share our success stories. Let's draw inspiration and ideas from those who are already implementing effective strategies to create food surpluses in our communities and making sustainability a reality. Kalu Otieno from Kenya is an inspiring figure who transformed a small urban space in Kibera into a productive vegetable garden. Using sack farming, he grows kale, spinach, and tomatoes in one of Nairobi's most crowded areas. His story demonstrates that even in densely populated cities, it's possible to cultivate nutritious food and reduce reliance on expensive market produce. Mary Wanjiku, also from Kenya, started her journey in poultry farming with just 10 chickens in her backyard. Over time, she expanded her flock to 100, generating both a steady income and a reliable food source. Her success illustrates how small investments in backyard farming can grow into sustainable ventures. In Ghana, Kwame Mensah has taken a unique approach by practicing snail farming in his backyard. Using minimal space, he turned a small piece of land into a profitable livestock business. Kwame's efforts highlight the potential of innovative, space-efficient farming techniques to create viable income streams. Fatou Camara from Senegal grows rice on small plots in the Casamance region, relying on traditional farming techniques. Her work underscores how cultivating staple foods at home can enhance family food security while supporting local markets. Her dedication showcases the profound impact of small-scale farming in rural communities. Blessing Chisomo in Malawi operates a backyard fish pond where she rears tilapia, a popular and nutritious fish. This venture not only feeds her family, but also supplies fresh fish to her village. Her example demonstrates the ability to utilize small water bodies to improve nutrition and generate extra income. Tinashe Moyo from Zimbabwe has made a name for himself by growing organic herbs and vegetables on a single plot of land. By focusing on organic farming, Tinashe provides fresh, healthy produce to local markets. His work emphasizes the health benefits and market opportunities of sustainable home gardening. Habiba Ahmed, a beekeeper from Nigeria, manages a few beehives in her backyard, producing honey while supporting pollination and biodiversity. Her story is a testament to how small-scale farming can combine environmental conservation with economic benefits. In Sierra Leone, Moses Kamara cultivates cassava on a small plot and processes it into gari for sale in local markets. By focusing on staple crops, Moses enhances food security for his family and generates a modest income. His example highlights how accessible farming can address both personal and community needs. Joyce Nyambura in Uganda uses a shed in her backyard to grow mushrooms on organic waste. Her innovation demonstrates how even the smallest spaces can be used for sustainable farming, generating consistent profits with minimal resources. Finally, Aliou Diallo from Mali grows millet and sorghum on a small piece of land, focusing on drought-resistant crops suitable for his semi-arid region. His efforts showcase the resilience of small-scale farmers who adapt to challenging environments to ensure food security and economic stability. These stories collectively illustrate the transformative power of small-scale farming, proving that even modest beginnings can lead to meaningful change. I'm so proud that our people, along with millions of others, are making remarkable strides in transforming agriculture and creating good sources of income for themselves. Through their successes and the principles they uphold, they have demonstrated that it is truly possible to make farming thrive in Africa. Together, I believe we can do this. Share this post if you find value in it. Thank you for your support. Read next, Part 6. Read previous episodes, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Read next, Making Sense of Our Strengths. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.